Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to the system settings, no fluff. Once the home menu is open, scroll down to System, then Date and Time. You'll see the option labeled Synchronize Clock via Internet. This is the setting that forces online time updates. Make sure your console is powered and responsive. If the toggle is already off, you can skip ahead. If it's on, prepare to flip it off now so you can enter a manual time without the network immediately correcting it. Once you flip off the Synchronize toggle, the console stops automatic updates and reveals manual controls. Tap Set Date, choose the day, month, year, then set time and enter hours and minutes. Use 24-hour if you prefer. Make sure to confirm each screen so the switch saves the values. After saving, exit System Settings and watch the home clock to verify the change took effect. If it reverts immediately, proceed to the next step. To stop the clock from resynchronizing, make sure the console isn't reconnecting to the internet. Disable Wi-Fi and internet settings or forget saved networks. Once done, restart the switch so settings lock in. If the toggle is grayed out, inspect parental controls. They can block clock changes and adjust or disable that restriction temporarily. Finally, if the time still resets, remove Wi-Fi entirely and repeat the manual set. That guarantees the console cannot override your chosen time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.